We arrived in the heart of Panama. Cobblestone streets, colonial charm, and a celebration of love. We stayed in a real cool Airbnb in Casco Viejo. To celebrate, we had dinner at Casa Catedral, an artistic, intimate, and upscale dining experience featuring vintage cards from the 1920s. Next day, we attended a cooking class where we learned to cook traditional Panamanian dishes. We explored the flavors of Panama, including visits to a local produce and meat market and a fresh fish market. After the market visits, it was time to prepare the dishes. We created 3 dishes. The first dish was pollo guisado, which is a stewed chicken wrapped in a tamale. We also prepared ceviche, and for dessert, we had candied plantains. The last day, we took a ferry to Taboga, an island escape about 45 minutes from Panama City, where we had lunch and shopped. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to join us on this adventure, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss an update.